Hello students and welcome back to my channel Train with Brain Surgeon. Revision is such an important component to get a good NEET PG rank, and now that we know that exam is going to be in March, it's the best time to start revision. That's what we do on our channel. We revise daily 2 MCQs in duration of less than 2 minutes. So not only those 2 MCQs, we see theory and explanation in and around that questions so that your other MCQs are also covered. So we are into the series shock and transfusion, and to continue from previous video, let's get started. First question: which of the following compensatory mechanism is not seen in shock? So just to revise, shock is hypoperfusion, hypoxia and hypotension. So the key is you have to preserve the blood supply to the vital organs, and lungs, kidney and brain are the 3 most vital. So amongst these options, the blood supply to GI tract, muscles and skin can be compensated but not to the kidney. So the answer now becomes very easy. Now second question. As I keep on saying, sports teaches you life and a lot of life lessons, and let's apply the same to our second question. So a patient is being treated for hypovolemic shock and he has suffered a blood loss. So according to American Association's grading of hemorrhagic blood loss or hemorrhagic shock, there is 4 category of classification, and you can remember the same with the help of tennis scores. So 15, 30, 40 and win are the scores of tennis, and similar are the classification grading of Americans hemorrhagic shock. So grade 1 will be less than 15%, grade 2 will be 15 to 30, grade 3 will be 30 to 40 and 4 will be more than 40. Also I am giving you the entire table, but in that specifically you need to remember grade 3, and in that 2 components which are being repeatedly asked in the MCQ are BP starts to fall, that is grade 3 category, and patient starts to get confused. So C, that is the 3rd letter, and grade 3 of hemorrhagic shock. So I hope now the second MCQ answer is clear, and it is asked grade 2. So the loss is between 15 to 30 degree. Let me tell you again, if you are finding difficulty with any question what we are solving or whichever series we are in, do mention in the comment section or directly DM me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.